Who is that? All right, guys, let's quickly get to business. I can see 2, 4, 6 hands up. Don't worry, I'll answer all your questions. Do I even know how to? I don't people should not laugh at me. Okay. I did some videos this morning. I want to show you. Download your wallet and then you're going to do it step by step. But I'll first show you this video. After showing you this video, then step by step, we are going to do this together. How you will set up your farm. Right on this call, you're going to set up your farm. Right on this call, you're going to set up your wallet. Right on this call, you're going to synchronize your farm to your back office and your wallet to your back office. After which, I will teach you, maybe not today, I will teach you how to start loading your farm gradually. The day you have 5,000, the day you have 10,000, the day you have 20,000, the day you have 50,000, how you start, I told you PLC farm is a piece of land, just the way we see farms literally, a piece of land where if you don't plant anything, there is no way you can reap any harvest. But when you plant, you can actually have business for yourself, for your children, food, drink, everything that you need. Okay, it's a heritage. That's why no matter how other businesses are packing up, agricultural business is always relevant. Okay, so I want to show you. So this is my channel. I'm going to copy the link and send to you all on the chat box so that you all will subscribe. When you subscribe, it will be very easy for you. No, I'm starting with the wallet. Now let's watch this video. No, he has uploaded the farm. I need the wallet first. Okay, he has not uploaded. My wallet has not been uploaded. The video I made this morning, it has not been uploaded. But let me show you the video of the farm. No, I want you to always set up your wallet before the farm. I'll tell you why. It's easier. You won't have any complications when you set up your wallet first before you set up your farm. But when you set up your farm, if you don't understand the mechanics, you end up making mistakes or getting frustrated. So without showing you this yet, just log into your farm. If you have opened it, if you have what's the word now? If you have downloaded, then log into your farm. When you first log into your farm, into your Platin Coin wallet, your wallet, PLC wallet is black. It is black. Let me show you what it looks like. Mr. Roland, are you there? I want to give you admin right to quickly just show them what PLC wallet looks like. Are you there, Mr. Roland?
Yeah, but what I'm using, I'm sure I will not be able to maybe.
Are you using your laptop too? Okay. Please, okay. I would I will make Geek an admin now so that she can show you people what those two wallets look like. Have you all downloaded it? If you have downloaded, please tell me a yes. Trust me, this part is complex. It's very complex if you don't do it right. Have you downloaded? If you have downloaded, tell me yes, you have downloaded. Put it in the chat box. You can unmute yourself. Okay, you have all downloaded. So you first see some information. Just keep clicking on next. After you click on next, then it will ask you first question. Input your PIN. Where's the video? In my phone. Create a 6-digit PIN. You can't hear anything. If you cannot hear anything, the problem is from your side, though. Can you all hear me? Mr. Roland, you can hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay, so after, okay, I know what I'm going to do now. I think I'll be the one to share my screen with you people. I'll be the one to share my phone screen with you people so that you all can see. Sorry, guys, just 1 minute. Doing all these things, we have to be very careful so that we don't make errors. Okay, let me just first tell you step by step what you need to do. Step by step what you need to do. The reason I have the video here, I have the raw video with me here, but I don't want to show you because my private key came out when I was sharing the video. You know, my private key showed, and that is the highest security on your wallet. If you make that error by sharing your private key with another person, that person can go away with your money. That person can go away with your funds. That person can access your wallet any day, anytime. So the key to your wallet is your private key. So when I was doing the video for the farm, for the wallet, it showed, okay, and I have to protect my money. You see, that's why it's a little bit complex. I actually gave it to the engineer that does the technical work for me. He's still on it. He's trying to trim the video, and it's really been on it since morning. It's not been easy for him to do that. But the farm already had the video uploaded. So guys, just give me a few minutes. Let me see if I can cut that part off myself and share the video with you all right away. That person that is not hearing, I don't know how I can help you. If you are not hearing, then click on, even if I talk, you can't hear. I'm sorry. There's no way I can
Okay,
help.
another thing, I think, leader, another thing you can do is that I think even the device I'm using now, if you can just go into the settings, since you already have the private key, you just open it, go to settings and delete that wallet. You can see, you just create another new wallet, just type 00. After you delete it, then impact your wallet. I think it's still the same thing, right?
Private keys, you know, immediately you synchronize, it will not take a whole lot of stress, because once you delete that wallet, then it's already synchronized to your back office. You now have to go back to the back office and remove that wallet address. Otherwise, when you send funds from your back office to that wallet, you lose it. But it's not a problem. I think I should be able to show you guys that as a leader, I know how to go about all of that, delete that wallet and resynchronize my wallet. Don't worry. So I'll do that as Mr. Roland has said. Let me do that for you guys. With the recording. Once you get your PLC wallet, okay, you keep clicking on next, 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 and the first thing you do is you input your private PIN, your six-digit PIN. Yes, I have chosen 6, and then it will ask if your phone has a thumbprint, if you want to set up fingerprint. So I said yes to mine. I want to set up my fingerprint so that I can use it to unlock. After which, it will ask you to create a transport PIN. Once you create your transport PIN, make sure you use the PIN you used initially to create your transport PIN so that there won't be any mix-up. Don't say your PIN, login PIN will be different from transport PIN. You might have mistake. Now, this is your private key. This is what I was trying to protect. The moment you lose guard or you carelessly drop this with somebody else, that person can access your phone any day, anytime. And once that is done, your wallet is created. Then before that, it will ask you, before this one, that's not the end. There's another part people miss. It will ask you to log in. You click on those 3 hamburgers, and then you will log in and put in your email. The same email you used in registering with your Platinum Coin account. You input it there and your password. Once that is done, you activate that white button down there. Once you activate it, it tells you sign in. And once you sign in, your wallet has been, you have set up your wallet. That is all. To verify that, you click on the 3 hamburgers up at the top left again. You click it, and then you will check. Instead of you seeing login, what you now see is set up farms and all of that, like you're seeing here. So you can stop sharing. You can see it will show you log out, receive, send, that is to tell you that you have set up your PLC wallet and you have successfully synchronized it to the back office. But now your farm where your gift is, let me show you how you will synchronize that. Let me share my screen with you. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, once you keep your money in your wallet, maybe Bitcoin in your blockchain wallet, you cannot increase the quantity. But the beautiful thing with this farm gift that you have been given, this power minter that you have been given, it can help you increase the quantity of the assets you have kept in it. Let me take it again. It will help you increase the quantity of the assets you have kept in it. So every one of you set up your farm. After which, I will now teach you how to go to the exchange and start loading your farm. I will teach you here for free on this platform how to get into an exchange, buy coins by yourself and load on your farm. I will teach you the dynamics, but if you cannot do it by yourself, you can go to your upline. That's why we have uplines. Uplines can assist you to achieve that. I have decided to unmute you people so that I can take your questions. So anybody that has a question now can ask. See, as simple as this thing I just showed you is, it is very technical. You can either lose your fund or lose your asset completely if you don't take good advantage, if you don't protect it. You know what people get for free, they don't place value on it. Hold on. What people get for free, they don't place value on it. If you cost out 650,000 naira to buy this farm, you will cherish it. But please, as the CEO are giving it to you for free, you have been given gold, you have been given a treasure. Please take full advantage of it. So many people, the challenge they have is they don't have money to get into the crypto space. So many people have the money, they don't have anybody to teach them or show them the way. Some people have somebody to show them the way, they don't have anybody to mentor them or guide them, to follow them through. God has blessed you with Platin Coin. The CEO has given you a gift for free. All your uplines and leaders are here to show you how to maximize this profit. Please, every one of you, take full advantage of it. Question time. Mr. Roland, do you have some? Madam Dorcas, are you still on this call?
Please. I have a question.
Okay, Bladet, ask your question, please.
Please, what are we doing with the 1,100? How are we going to send it into our farm?
No, the 1,100 euros you have been given is the power minter. Understand the three technologies. Tonight by 8 p.m., I will do a meeting. Today is Thursday, right? Okay. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I can do a meeting because on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Mr. Roland, our upline, does this meeting, and make sure you always join. Okay? So Thursday, today by 8 p.m., I will do a meeting explaining how the three technologies of Platin Coin work. All right? Now, we have three technologies: the minting bot, the minting farm, and the blockchain places. The company has given you the minting farm that you would have purchased with money. If you check our back office, you'll see how many Platin Coin you need to be able to even purchase this plus minter and how much it is worth. Okay? But now you have been given for free. What you need to do now is to go to the exchange. We have more than 5 exchanges. We have CoinsBit as our official exchange. We have BitBox, we have BitForex, we have P2B, and we have BitStorm. You can purchase Platin Coin in any of these markets. As you purchase, you load it on your farm. When you load it on your farm, it gives you extra profit. If you load that farm full, let's do small mathematics here. Let me show you the power of what you have in your hands. That the gift is worth more than 1,070 euros.
All right. If I want to send money to anybody, probably in South Africa,
to 5 euros.
I can do that without having
ecosystem. Of course, traders
if
can
I'm
using
cryptocurrency.
that I'm asking you to go to the external market.
Any amount.
Now, this farm space
and
is
the money comes to you like 1, 2, 3. Especially modern day cryptocurrencies. That is the ones that came after Bitcoin. They have worked on the weaknesses Bitcoin has.
If you load it to the full, it has the ability to give you
ones that are not
222 Platin Coin yearly.
Proof of work mathematical algorithm.
If you want to know how much it is,
we are hearing two voices and we are confused now.
Those are
how are you hearing two voices?
We'll talk about that later.
Your laptop is
All right, so it's faster, it is secure.
My laptop is playing. Oh, I'm sorry. It has a very. Is it playing? Sorry, let me quickly take care of that. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Alpha, are you still hearing it? I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry about that.
no, it's okay now.
Thank you so much for drawing my attention to it. So I was saying 22 platinum coin is going to give to you every year. How many coins will you be getting every month? You divide this by 12. So as profit, let me multiply 735 multiplied by 2.5%. So it will be giving you 18, sorry. It will be giving you 18 PLCs every month. Okay? That's how to do the calculation. 18 PLCs every month. And because it's giving you 2.5% profit monthly, and cumulatively yearly is giving you 30% profit on what you have loaded. 735 multiplied by 30% gives me 220. 735, yes, multiplied by 30%, 220. So every month it gives you this platinum coin. Your fixed coin is still there. Now platinum coin is €5. Multiply 220 multiply 220 by 5. What do you get? 220 times 5. It gives you €1,100. Platinum coin still at, when platinum coin is still at, what is it called? Still at €5. What happens when platinum coin goes to €10? What happens when it goes to €250?
Okay.
Even if it goes to €50 alone, what you'll be making yearly will be €11,000. €11,000. So this gift is powerful. It did not just give you one-time gift of 1,100. He has given you a lifetime, or at least a 10 years earning gift. So I will teach you how to take full advantage by going to the external market. And trust me, if 5,000 of us, I say it again, 5,000 of us that joined the Zoom yesterday and got that minter, if we go to the exchange and we start buying platinum coin, what do you think will happen to the value of platinum coin? The value begins to increase because there will be scarcity of platinum coin in the market, on the exchange. There will be major scarcity. And that coin that you are buying for, what is it called now? That, I'm sorry, I just have to remove somebody now. For that coin that you are buying for, how much is it? Maybe you buy like how much today? By the time there is major scarcity in the market, we don't have to wait for 1 year, 2 years before platinum coin begins to appreciate in value. What is it? From the cryptocurrency training I gave to you people, I said the max coin of platinum coin that will ever be produced will be 600 million. And I told you that it takes only 6 billion people to hold 100 platinum coins. And already we have leaders that have more than 10,000 platinum coins. We have leaders that have more than 50,000 platinum coins already holding it in their wallet. Now, every of the coin cannot be created at once. So the one that is circulated is about 23,000 or 17 in the external market, on the exchange. So if I teach you tomorrow how to go to the market by yourself, you carry your money there and buy the quantity of coin you want, what do you think will happen to all those exchanges? Coin will finish in the market because there will be huge demand. And when you buy this coin, you load on your farm, you are secured. Even when there's scarcity, you are secured because your power minter continues to mint. It continues to mint for the next 10 years. Now, that is not enough. A time will come, there will be nothing to mint. It is only those that have the power, the blockchain places, that will forever end with platinum coin. Do well to rank, do well to buy yourself at least one blockchain place. Let me start taking questions. Mr. Mfom Udo, your question, sir.